the next step that I chose is Canva. Canva is the website for being creative with presentation and flyers or Instagram, social media, anything that you need or students need. My plan to use this app is for my business classes. I might have mentioned that I do use lots of project based assignments and then presentations. So I do want my students to be familiar with different type of technology and then to be creative. In today's world, it is very important to know how to present yourself to others and how to sell yourself. So when we log into Canvas, there is different templates that you can choose from. You can also start from the scratch and then create your own. It is pretty simple, and then you can choose different areas that you need to do, and then you can make different presentations. So if we go to business and then we choose a presentation, we can find here different type of presentation where students can add. There is something for everybody, so students can find what they like. If they do not like any of the templates, they can start from the scratch and be creative. The more comfortable they are with the making and doing presentations, the better it is, because the future is technology and we need to be comfortable with it.